everyone, Raylin here. Just wanted to get on here and talk about this amazing water flosser that I absolutely love. I've been using it for a while now. It's super easy to use and it's very convenient. Now, if you're like me, I even have it off to the side right now, but I am a huge coffee drinker. And with that, I need to constantly be in pursuit of better things for my teeth, and that would definitely be this water flosser right here. Now I have seen other water flossers, but I really like the way that I can handle this because there's little grippies right here, so it's perfect for holding it. It's very easy to use. It comes with 3 different settings, so it's very easy to use when you're first starting, and it's fully rechargeable. I tend to only use about 1.5 of this jar, and this does come off, so it is very easy to clean. I've had no issues with it, and my teeth have been whiter despite me having a huge coffee addiction. So I would definitely say this is worth it. It feels like it's very structural. It's very easy to clean. It also comes with a little pack of the nozzles right here. So it has one for plaque and it has one for periodontal as well. And I've just found after using this for a few months and practicing good oral hygiene that my teeth have never looked better, they've never felt healthier, and I'm getting a lot of the plaque off.